You play basketball, soccer, pickleball, tennis, any court or field sport, and you're looking to get a little bit faster for the weekends, the T-drill is one of the best agility drills you're doing, and you're probably doing some of it wrong. We're gonna go into some specifications on how to make those change of directions more efficient today to make the most of the T-drill and get you quicker. Now make sure you stick around till the end. We're gonna have some age-based standards, male, female, so you know where you rank for your age and if you need to get faster at this drill. First, if you're unfamiliar, the T-drill is a very easy setup. You have cone number 1, 10 yards in front is cone 2, and then off to the left is 5 yards, and then 5 yards off center on that side. So a simple T gets us all set up and ready to run. Some basic cues to make sure we're doing this right. Stay low the entire drill, not just at the cones. Never cross your feet on the shuffle, keep your wide base, parallel feet, and never turn your back unless you're backpedaling, always face forward. Now where your time is gonna be really won and lost is at the change of direction. You know where you're gonna go, so as you're sliding left, getting to go right, set your body positions up, shin angles leaning to the right, and then we explode back out. So as you come in, you set up, you touch, and you explode back out, creating those shin angles. And now the goal is to put it together. Make sure you're working at a good pace where you can control those changes. As you can see, we're staying low. We're changing our angles, so when we get to the cone, we know we're going the opposite way. We're creating that force, we're creating those shin angles, and we're exploding out to save some time. Now in terms of programming, 3 to 4 sets is all you need. Max effort or increase your effort over those sets. Make sure you're recording your time every single time so you can see that improvement. And now here are our age-based standards. Again, I put together age groups, male, female, so find where you rank. Now I want you to drop your age and your time in the comments. We start here, we build, and I want to know what you get in 4 weeks if you tested today. If that time's dropping, that's the athleticism coming back, and that's the longevity athlete standard. That's what we're here for. Never settle with yesterday.